All right, so a persistent frustration of mine is that when I'm presenting, I want to annotate. And I have to come down here and click on Pen Tool to get the pen to bring it up. I could hit Control P is a shortcut to bring up the Pen Tool. They're not the fastest shortcuts. Once you have it, you can draw. But if you want to switch colors, you have to come down here and click on this icon to come up, bring up the pen menu to change colors. Otherwise, you can right-click and go to Pointer Options, Ink Color. Both of those kind of screw up lecture flow. So I was interested in finding if I could figure out a shortcut to program a key to create to make the pen change color. And the answer is yes, you can do that. And so how you do it is you download this program called AutoHotkey. This is a free open source software, and install it. And then after you installed it, you just wait a few minutes, and you will see when you right click in a folder or on your desktop or anywhere, you come down to New, AutoHotkey script will show up. Okay. And so what we can do here is we can create a new script, and we got to name it something. So I'll call it pen color, and then you have to add a file extension, which would be AutoHotkey in this case, so AHK. All right, and so this is where we're going to put our script to bind keys to change the pen color. So we're going to right click, and we're going to edit the script, and it's going to bring this kind of default text up. I'm just going to delete it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this script, which I have here. I'm going to Control A and Control C to copy. And this will be in the video description, so you can copy and paste it yourself. And I'm going to paste it in here. And so what this does is it establishes a number of different pen colors you can pick from, and then it assigns them to a hotkey. So I've assigned them to 1, 2, and 3. You could change this to whatever you want. If you want it to be like WER or whatever hotkey you want to bind it to. And then the color is just whatever color in this list. So I have red, aqua, and gold. I could use maroon or navy. You just have to type in the color you want from that list. And if you wanted to change the color, for each of those, you could as well. Okay, so I'm going to save that. I'm going to hit Control S. You could also go File, Save. All right, so now I've saved it, and now I'm going to close it. And what I want to do is I want to right click and then Run Script. And once I've done that, now when I'm in my PowerPoint and I go to Present, I can just hit 1, and it will bring up the pen tool in the red color. I can do the 2, and it's that blue color, and then 3 as specified as yellow. Okay, so now it's very nice because when I'm lecturing, I can just keep one hand on the keyboard, and when I'm annotating, I can say, okay, look at the spinous process here relative to here, and this has all gone forward as a unit. This one has come backwards this way. And then we can see that there's, oops, I hit the wrong button. We can see that there's a parse defect here, all right? And so it makes it very seamless to annotate multiple colors and make a very clear presentation by just using these hotkeys. And it's very simple and easy to do. So I hope that helps you as it has helped me.